guys? NHR227 here, and I'm gonna do something a little different. I think what I'm gonna start doing is, since for Christmas my dad got me a new pocket knife. Well, new to me pocket knife. He's had it for a long time. So, and I thought about this last night. I think I'm gonna start doing some knife reviews. So, this is my first one. This first knife is well, first of all, let's get a little thing on this knife here. It is a lockback knife, so it has it's a lockback knife, so it has the little lock like that, and it does, hold on. This is why I would love to do this hands-free. So hang on. We'll just. It's a lockback knife. So what that means is it does this, or when you open it, like so. And this is a. Don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but this is a Imperial Ireland stainless. Well, it's an Imperial Ireland, and the blades, I think, stainless steel. But as I said, it's a lockback knife, so I'm gonna open it. There's this little. Where's the lens at? There's this little. I suck at this. There's a little thingy right here on the back of the thing. You push it down, and the knife closes. Unlike most of the pocket knives, it has this little that little groove in the blade. You stick your finger inside it. Oh, I can't really show you, but you stick your finger inside here and pull the blade out like that, like so. Lockback knife. I don't need to do it this way anymore. It's a really light knife, so like when you have it, or it's actually a mid-range knife. Nice plastic, you can grip it really well. And this knife will pretty much work on anything you need it to, because it has these little teeth here. Has nice little teeth. Bring it in more of the light. No problem with my setup. Have good lights. Really good quality plastic for the handle. And I would recommend this knife. I'm not sure where to find it, because originally I went to Walmart one time and I was looking for a pocket knife, and I was looking specifically for bucks, but I couldn't find the buck that I was looking for. So Christmas came, they gave me this knife. One problem is I don't know how old it is. The lock. When you push the lock back, that's the only problem. When you push the lock to fold the blade in, it might just need to be cleaned. Or it could be a little rusted, but it sticks a little bit. I mean, you want the lock back to be firm so you make sure the knife sticks. Because I had that problem with my dad's old buck, but he took... Actually, I kind of took it when he wasn't looking. I had it for a few weeks too, but the blade's real nice and sharp. Not sure why that little sticker's there. Anyway, like I said, I'd recommend this knife. In my opinion, this really wouldn't be so much a knife you'd give your, well, or no. I'd give this knife to your kid, just as long as they make sure you know they're careful with it. And have common sense with knives and stuff. So anyway, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Nice one.